Hey guys, today we have another unboxing video. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when there's a new video. Alright guys, so I finally got an Ipsy bag. I got the cheapest one, you know, like it's the $12 most basic one, but I am excited to open it up and see exactly what it is that you get for 12 bucks. It's by far, I want to say maybe the cheapest, let's see, by far the most economical subscription. Alright, here we go guys. Let's open up our first Ipsy bag and see what's inside. Again, this was $12 a month and we can see what kind of things it brings. I thought it may have come in a box. That's the only thing that surprised me. I'm usually used to getting boxes like that, but getting it in a envelope is different. However, it is well packaged, and here we go. All right, so we got, I know this is adorable, adorable. So we got that, and then also inside, woo, it was wrapped out. It was. There's also this nice little makeup brush. So pretty. It's an Ipsy bag, isn't it? So it makes sense. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's so many cute little things in here. All right, so first I got a welcome note. Your first monthly treat yourself moment is here, and yay, that means you're officially a member of the Ipsy community. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. It looks like it's this here, Youth Repair Serum. This is, it's a face cream, so that's cool. Again, Illuminating Anti-Eye Fatigue Eye Cream. This is from GLAMGLOW. So we had the brush that I showed you guys before that we had, super cute. All right, this is F.A.R.A.H Eye Contour Brush, so this is probably the one right here. So that's fun. And let's see what else I got. All right, so we have 24-hour brow setter, clear brow gel. All right, so what this would be, I guess when I do my brows, when I do them, we'll go ahead and put this on top to make sure that it stays. And this is by Benefit Cosmetics. I also got this, which looks like it is an eyeshadow palette. So it looks like this is a eyeshadow duo in Pinot and Taffy. Shades by Shan. Let's see what that one looks like. Actually, I think that's actually some pretty nice colors. Really light. I like flush little makeup bag. And it is official, branded and everything inside. So we have the little makeup bag. We got eyeshadow. We have eye cream. So we have eyeshadow, eye cream, face cream. We have the brow setter. And then we have the eye contouring brush. So $12, and wow. I got 5 products. They're not full size, or at least I mean this is full size. These are smaller sizes. 5 products for $12 a month, and you get this really cute bag to keep things in. I don't think that's a bad deal at all if you're looking for a more economic type of subscription and still get like a cute bag and still get a whole bunch of stuff that you probably wouldn't go out and buy because you didn't know you needed it. Ipsy bag is probably the best. So I kind of like what was in here. I'm going to make great use of it. And additionally, if you want to join Ipsy, check the details below. I am going to have some type of referral link. Alright guys, thank you for spending some time with me today and opening up my subscription, and I will see you next week. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.